Hey there, ready to explore the four main types of operating systems? Let's jump right in. So, does your kitchen microwave share the exact same digital brain as a massive airplane? No way. Operating systems are actually custom built for the specific jobs a device needs to do. Today, we're looking at four types: real-time, embedded, network, and mobile operating systems. First up, the real-time OS, or RTOS. It processes data under a super strict deadline. Literally any delay is unacceptable here. Missing that split-second deadline can cause a totally catastrophic system failure.
It processes tasks instantly. That's why it runs high-stakes stuff like air traffic control and heart monitors.
Next up, the embedded operating system. It's a tiny, hyper-efficient system baked right into specific devices. Unlike your clunky desktop, an EOS is totally optimized to do just one specific task really well. The best part? It sips power, uses barely any memory, and lives permanently inside the hardware itself. You definitely use these daily. EOS powers your microwave, washing machine, smart TV, and even your ATM. Let's zoom out to the network operating system, which manages tons of connected computers across a single network.
It's like a master coordinator, letting everyone seamlessly share resources like files, internet connections, and printers. Think of a school computer lab. A NOS lets every student print to the exact same printer effortlessly. Because it handles large-scale coordination so perfectly, you'll mainly find it in offices, schools, and big data centers. Now look right at your phone. The mobile operating system is designed specifically for smartphones and tablets. It is uniquely tailored for touchscreen tapping, running apps smoothly, and saving your precious battery life. It packs in wireless connectivity, cameras, tons of sensors, and those massive app stores we all love. The evolution is wild. Early systems like Symbian on old Nokias could only run a few basic apps. Today, platforms like Android and iOS handle millions of apps, 3D gaming, and even pro video editing. Quick recap: RTOS hits deadlines, EOS runs appliances, NOS connects computers, and mobile powers your handheld tech. So what wild, entirely new kind of operating system will future uninvented devices eventually require?